My name is
Billy.
Good day everyone, I am Paul Christian Delangin from HM504P. Today we're going to discuss the ROP reorder point and EOQ economic order quantity. First we have to discuss the ROP. So what is ROP? ROP is the inventory level at which a new order must be placed on replenished stock before it reaches zero, ensuring continuous operation and preventing stock outs. So here's the formula of ROP, where usage times lead time plus safety stock. Usage, how many stocks will use, and the lead time, how long it will arrive or deliver. And lastly, safety stock, extra inventory keep to cover unexpected demand or delays. So let's say for example, if the company expected daily usage is 100 bottles of wine, the anticipated delivery is 6 to 10 days. When will the company place the reorder point? So first we're going to use the formula usage x lead time plus safety stock. So our ROP is 100 bottles per day times lead time 6 to 10 days plus safety stock, which is 100 bottles per day times 4. ROP equals to 100 times 6 days equals to 600 plus 100 times 4 equals to 1000. So ROP is 1000 bottles of wine. Next, we have the economic order quantity. So here's the economic formula. We have number order per year, total ordering cost per year, average inventory, total carrying cost per year, and the total cost. So first we have to discuss what is EOQ. EOQ is used to determine the most cost-effective quantity of inventory of orders, one that minimizes the total cost of ordering and holding back. So here's the formula of EOQ. In the square root of 2 times O times N is divided by to C, where O is cost of placing a number, and N number of units recurring annually, and C annual carrying cost per unit per inventory. So first we have to discuss about the formula of EOQ. So EOQ is square root of 2 times O times N is divided by 2C. So our EOQ is in the square root of 2 times 10 times 10,000 is divided by 2.8 pesos. So our EOQ lead us to 500 jars. Next, we have the number of order per year. Number or NO is equals to 10,000 jars divided by 500 jars, which lead us to 20 orders. Next is total order cost per year. TOC equals to 200 orders times 10,000 pesos, which lead us to 200 pesos. So our TOC is 200 pesos. Next is average inventory. Our average inventory is equals to 500 jars divided by 2. So our average inventory is 250 jars. Next is total carrying cost per year, TTC. TTC is equals to 250 jars times 0.8 pesos, which lead us to 200 pesos. And lastly, our total cost. Our total cost is equals to 200 pesos plus 200 pesos is equals to 400 pesos. So that's all. I hope you